this video, friends, I will show you how to set up Conversions bot on Discord server. So guys, go to Google and search for bot.gg and go to this first website from here. After that, friends, log on the search, look for this keyword conversions. As you can see here, click on this first result, and then friends, you will see this is Discord. Click invite option from here, and then you will see open this Discord. So friends, all you have to do just a way to open this Discord, and then click scrolling and add, choose the server you want to add, for example this one, and click continue. After that, click authorize, and then just wait. After that, you will see this was added successfully on your Discord server. So guys, from here you can set up this Discord. From your Discord you can set up this bot conversions, and you will use for your own activity. Thanks for watching this guide. I hope this guide helpful for you. See you on another video.